Welcome to the product knowledge session of Catalog 8 of 2015. Celebrating our anniversary year, 20th anniversary year, we get you this catalog to living life the fullest. Yes, this catalog is all about you living your life to the fullest, you knowing yourself. Let's hear about the new products in this catalog. The first one, of course, a most awaited one which we have been looking forward to is the high impact eye pencil. Yes, these are the eye pencil which are getting launched in the mega launch of The One, and we are launching them under the sub brand of High Impact. We have 4 beautiful colors for you, and they are lovely shades of black also, which is the most popular, and you get to choose your favorite color by picking up your color which will suit you best this season. What it promises you of is a very smooth application. This is a pencil which is going to last you all day long. A very velvety color eye pencil which is going to stay all day long for you. A very positive point this time in our eye pencil is this pencil can be used on your waterline. When we talk about waterline, it is the line that just is beneath your eyes, and you can use it on your waterline, so you can practically use it as a kajal. So coming to the next product, again under The One, we have the primer, the Illuskin face primer in this catalog. What a primer does, of course you know about how a primer is used and what it does, but I'll talk a little bit about what it actually does. Is a primer basically is the first base that you apply on your face before you start your makeup. Now why do you need a primer? A primer is required because it keeps your face fresh, it keeps your makeup last longer, and it gives you the entire radiant and illuminated look throughout the day. So it holds your makeup together. This is a very soft, silky primer, and you can use it every day, practically every day. What it has is, as we already know, our Illuskin range has the halo light technology. Now what this halo light technology does is basically it radiates the light from your face so that you look illuminated and radiant throughout the day. Also, what we promise here in this primer is when you first apply it, it evens out your skin tone completely. So you know, for this catalog, it is at the launch offer of 30% discount. So go ahead and make best use of this launch. Going ahead into the next product, we already know this product, but this is being relaunched under Love Nature. It is the Love Nature Rose Water. Now this is being now launched as under Love Nature relaunch. It was earlier under Pure Nature. The product has not changed. It goes on to stays the same, but yes, it comes with a beautiful branding of Love Nature, and you will get it in the spray format that you always have loved. So it is to be used as a mild astringent or toner, as we all know. Talking a little bit about how best to use this product, you can use this product as a base for your powdered mask. Most of us use Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti at home, so you can mix it with your Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth and create a mask and apply it. It's very soothing. Second, throughout the day you can keep it next to yourself and just spray it on a cotton pad or spray it directly on your face and mildly dab your face. It refreshes you immediately. So this is a very good product to have with you always. Not a mega launch, but a very important launch is the next product, that is the Optifresh toothpaste. This is the new Optifresh System 8 toothpaste. Why it is known as Optifresh System 8? It promises of 8 strong benefits. Now, the strongest of all these benefits is that it prevents cavities. So that's the strongest of the USPs out of all the 8 USPs that I'm talking about. Please go ahead and make best use of this launch. This System 8 toothpaste is being launched with something that is going to be the active ingredient in these toothpaste, which is basically known as the Active Protect Complex. Now what is this Active Protect Complex? The Active Protect Complex is the combination of 3 strong ingredients, that is clove oil, zinc sulfate and fluoride. These 3 ingredients make sure that your teeth is stronger, as well as the freshness of your mouth is sustained throughout the day. So this comes with a very strong, extremely strong USPs and extremely strong benefit of Active Protect complex. There are 2 variants, as you can see. There is one Optifresh System 8 Total Protection toothpaste, and there is one System 8 Total Whitening toothpaste. So there are 2 variants that you get here in this new launch. Coming to the last launch of this month is the Eclat Femme. Now, as every fragrance has a story, this beautiful fragrance also has a story around it. Eclat means radiance in French. So basically, when we talk about this perfume, when we talk about this fragrance, it talks about a woman who loves herself, who loves to look radiant throughout the day. This has a nice, if you rub this here and smell it, you can smell that it has a nice, strong, floral, fruity smell to it. This is the smell that women prefer in India. They love this small, strong smelling, floral, fruity, and of course this is the season of rainy season. There is humidity around, there is sweat around. You need to smell fresh and floral throughout the day. So in the heart of this fragrance we have the jasmine flower, which is a very popular flower for us in India, and this is what it makes this fragrance last and smell even more better for us in India as consumers. Yeah, and for this launch month we have 25% discount on this, so you get the best discount on this launch month. Before I sign off, I definitely, as always, would want to have a look at the back cover. So let's have a look. What do we have in the back cover? Oh wow, we have something very new for the first time. We have the Love Nature cleansing gel and the Love Nature aloe vera and tea tree on the back cover. And you have an astounding discount on this. You get this product, any of this product, at 199 rupees. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and pick up as much as you want. It's on multiple offers, so you can pick up as many as you want. Want some more? Yes, we have our favorite catalog driver also. Our Ecollagen day cream and night cream are on the catalog driver. You get to spend 600 rupees on this catalog, and you have a wonderful discount of 40% on the day cream and night cream. Please go ahead and make sure you have your day cream and night cream from Ecollagen or from this catalog. I hope you had fun with me in this product session. I had a wonderful time as always with you, and make a great sales in this catalog. Thank you so much.